How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix the audio problem on Messenger video call. Now, first thing is make sure your app is updated to the latest version of the app. To do so, head over to your Android Play Store, Google Play Store, or your App Store and search for Messenger, and there, if your app isn't updated, you'll get the update button instead of the open button and just update it. Now once you do this, open up the app and it should be working fine. But if it doesn't, then try resetting your app. You can do so by going to your settings, and once on settings, go to your apps or apps management, and once on apps, search for Messenger. Now go ahead and open this and go to storage. Now if you are on iPhone, then just try offloading the app, and if you are on Android, clear your data and clear your cache. Now this will reset your app once, and go into app and relog in your ID and your issue must be fixed. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.